Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys my PC build upgrade.
Nice.
I do plan on upgrading this PC in the future, but I think that this will do just fine for now. My previous build had an Intel Core i5-9400F on an MSI Z390A Pro motherboard with a T-Force 32GB of DDR4 clocked at 3200 MHz, a ton of SATA SSDs and hard drives just plugged into the motherboard and power supply, and an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 4GB GPU. Powering all of this is a Corsair RMX 850W power supply. Some additional stuff on the build is the NZXT H5 flow case. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what version this case is because NZXT made like a ton of new ones with the same name for some reason. And an Intel wireless card for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth because the Z390 does not come with built-in Wi-Fi. Now, moving on to the new parts that I'm upgrading to. I pretty much spent an entire year researching upgrades and sales sniping some parts, and I ended up with a fair price with most of the components. To start off, I got an Intel i7-13700F. I'm used to upgrading builds with Intel CPUs, so I just stuck with this option. I do know that AMD is coming up there with better CPUs for performance and graphics, but I honestly feel that I'll be sticking with Intel for a while, plus I was on quite a budget for these upgrades. For the motherboard, I went with a Gigabyte Z790S Wi-Fi DDR4. This is an LGA 1700 board with DDR4 support. The reason for DDR4 support when DDR5 is already up in the market is because I recently just bought these T-Force DDR4 RAM sticks and I wanted to save some money. However, I did go a little fancy on the air cooler for the CPU and also a CPU contact frame for better temps. The reason for the air cooler is because 1, it looks nice, 2, it was cheap, and 3, I really wanted RGB in my PC. Moving on to the graphics card, I jumped quite a bit of generations for this one and went with the Asus GeForce Dual RTX 3060 Overclock Edition with 12GB of VRAM. I gotta say, coming from a 1654GB, I am really happy with this. I got it on sale for about like $290, which is not too bad. I've been seeing a few prices and it's jumped up to $400, so I'll take it. And moving on to storage, I finally got a Samsung 990 EVO Plus NVMe M.2 SSD with 2TB. I did buy one 1TB SATA SSD, but that 1TB SSD was mainly for clips and VODs and stuff, so that was just extra and additional on my end. Besides all the new parts, I kept the 850W power supply and the case itself. That's kind of why you see in the video I'm taking the old motherboard out and putting in the new one. But that's enough talking. Let's get on with the build. I'll see you guys later. Okay, so doing some cable management here. I was kind of stupid and I realized that I do not actually have a PCIe cable for the graphics card. I don't have an 8-pin power cable, so I bought one that's coming tonight, and so this is being put on hold until that comes in. So hopefully that comes in soon. I prepped the other part on the other motherboard. I put the RAM sticks in, cleaned up the graphics card a bit, found out that I had 2 terabyte hard drives. This is the whole desk right now. Here's my SSD that I just kind of plugged it in. No, the cable management's a mess right now, but thank God this is the back side. We're not even gonna look at it anyways. It'll be all covered up, but the front looks amazing, and I'll probably show that tomorrow morning. I'm tired right now, so I'll see you guys. In the morning, I went searching in my drawers, and turns out that the graphics card cable was actually inside this thermal take fan box. And yeah, that was kind of my fault for forgetting that I put all the cables there. So yeah. There you go. We're done, bro. Everyone ready?
Up.
Ate, you gonna watch this too? It's gonna explode. Oh, there's a flicker. Ready?
Oh.
3, 2, 1. There's no lights. Wait, hang on.
Oh man.
No lights!
There's no lights. But hang on. It should work. It would work. Oh! Oh!
Wow. You got lights.
Oh shoot!
It's the LGBTQ lights.
Oh shoot!
You have lights?
That looks sick. Oh my god.
Wait, have you never had lights?
No,
Oh. Well, I thought you did.
I never did. So there's the build. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, consider hitting that like button and subscribe for more content. I had a lot of fun recording and editing this, and hopefully I can continue making more videos like this, especially gaming videos. There's nothing else for me to say, but thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.